English homework, you may need to look at math and science. Again, mheducation, McGraw Hill education.com. Then you press the username and password for your kid, and we already sent it home. طيب حط اليوزر نيم والباسورد اللي احنا بعتناهم لحضراتكم. يفتح معاك 3 different books, 3 different online resources. English, we had it. Math and science are the same. The display of math and science is the same. So if you click on math, for example, science, for example, Inspire Science, and you want to do the homework, very simple. You have here home, this is the home page. You have lessons if you want to see the books. You have past work if you want to check if there is any work that you are missing. We have no assignments that happened before. And then let's go back to lessons. If you want to see all lessons that you have in the book, here go back to home, you have this is the homework. What you do is basically look at the due date, 21st of September. You still have 15 days from now. What you do is to just let's go. Let's go. You have the questions, and then these are, look at the homework says week 5. Next week is week 5. Homework on McGraw Hill, unit 1. Everything is registered here. All you need is just to start doing this homework. What you do is just to click, just one click, it takes you directly to the homework. Okay, that's it, and it's very simple, a piece of cake. Once you are done, it gives you even number of questions, the points, and how many times you can do the homework. You just start assignment here. When you start assignment, and these are the questions, which is not, choose anything, and then you say next. Choose anything and say next. At the end, it's gonna give you the grade out of 7. Thank you. You can save and exit if you want to come back to this homework again. Thank you very much.